Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great because I'm doing great. Okay, so wait, first of all, please ignore these ugly curtains. Man, I need to change these curtains ASAP. It's on my list, okay? Don't judge. Anyways, I'm doing Vlogmas. Just wanted to say that real quick. I'm doing Vlogmas this year. That means I'm basically filming and editing and uploading a video every day this month. So turn your notifications on because you're gonna see me every day here, okay? I'm going to try to upload a video every day because that's really hard. That's a lot of work. And I also do other things besides YouTube, so let's see if I can, you know, stick to this goal and make it work and upload a video every day of December. It's not going to be vlogs only. I'm also going to upload my regular uploads, like my hair content, like other content. I know you guys want to see the city and all that kind of stuff, so yeah, why not do it this month? Anyways, I'm looking tired because I am. I basically look like this every day of the week, except when I'm having something special to do. You're gonna have to get used to it, okay? I look like this all the time. Ain't nobody got time to wear makeup, to be on fleek. Vlogging is actually not really something that I'm good at. I forget to vlog every time because the camera that I'm vlogging with currently is the Canon T6i. It's a DSLR camera, and yo, it's freaking heavy, and vlogging with this camera is absolutely a no-go. So I'm looking at my laptop is sitting there in front of me, and I was just looking at vlogging cameras. Let me guys show you what I was doing. So I was thinking about buying the Canon G7X Mark II because, you know, I'm filming currently with a Canon, so why not buy a matching Canon? And it is like 474 euros, which is about $520. Yeah, something like that. But what I also was thinking, you know, I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and the camera quality of this iPhone is pretty good. Wait, I'm just going to show you how I'm holding everything right now. So as you can see, I'm holding my camera with a tripod. So, oh my god, this is so, look, it's already falling down. It's already falling down because it is so heavy, y'all. Oh my god, look at this lens, y'all. Come on, man. This ain't even normal. If you see someone walking past by like this, oh blah blah blah, talking to this camera, you gonna look at that person like, the fuck? I just need to invest in another camera. I'm just watching some television, and yeah, I need to clean up everything. Like, it is so messy right now, so don't really mind that. So I've been sitting here editing and doing some administration while watching TV. Yeah, this is my life. Anyways, do you guys want to see my filming room? I have barely filmed videos in that room because I'm not really feeling it right now because I don't have any decorations or whatsoever. Like, I'm trying to build my home office. Oh my god, let me show you guys. Let me take you guys to my home office. Okay. So I'm walking into my home office right now. I don't know if you guys hear this, but when I'm like talking right now, there's like this echo, and I really don't like that. I really don't like the sound, so I need to put more stuff in this room to make the sound really clear. Okay, so it's a mess. It's a mess. It's just a mess. Like, my lighting system, oh, this takes so much space. Like, guys, my tripod, and then this light. So I basically live in a roof apartment, a penthouse kinda. So you know, that's why all these walls, and I don't like that because they take so much space. And y'all, oh my god, wait, look, it's like they take a lot of space in. Oh yeah, I'm still thinking about how to set up everything and, you know, how to make it cozy in here. My iMac, ooh, I cannot wait to work. Everything you see in this room, literally everything except for the electronics, is from IKEA. Okay, I have all my stuff right here. So I just bought, like, I went shopping. I have a new shampoo, new conditioner. I never tried this one, by the way. So I'm actually excited to try this one out. This one, I've been using this one since my relaxer days. I love this conditioner. It's like a protein treatment kind of. So yeah. I bought some new stuff, by the way. The African Pride Moisture Miracle line. I bought a few products from their line. I also bought the leave-in conditioner. This is like a cream. And to be honest, like, I really like it. This is a pre-shampoo. I never tried this. I still need to try this, so yeah. But I'll probably do a review. And oh my god, guys, look what came into the mail. I cannot wait to try this. This is the hair paint wax. Ooh, in gold. So I bought 2 jars of the gold paint wax, and I'm going to do a review soon. Believe me, very soon. So be on the lookout, okay? And here's just all hair that I still need to review and create into a unit, and yeah, I still need to do a lot. Yeah, so yeah, just saying. There are a lot of videos coming up. Yeah, so here are basically my hair products that I still need to organize. Here is just some other hair stuff, like flexi rods. Oh yeah, my flat iron and dryers and curlers and, you know, hair dyes and just other hair stuff. Here are some wig heads. Ooh, what is that doing on the ground? I don't know. And here's just some random stuff, like some old school stuff, like my bachelor's thesis and some old school books. And here are all my wigs, but you cannot see them because it's too dark right now. So yeah, I actually think I'm going to do like a decorating my office video, because I think that would be nice, because I need 30 videos this month. So I need to figure out some creative ideas. Like, I don't know, my content needs to be like more creative, because I'm getting super extremely bored with my content. Okay, so I need to find new ways to motivate myself and, you know, to be productive and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. So anyways, guys, as you can see, I need to clean. I need to clean. Yeah, so I live together with my boyfriend. I clean every day, but still, like, I don't know who is messing this house up, but I need to clean every day. Oh my goodness, like, what is this? Like, oh, doing the dishes is the worst. I have a dishwasher, but still, you know, the big pots and pans. I really don't get it. Who makes it so messy up in here? It's not me, and he says it's not him, so, Also, a lot of you guys were asking for an apartment tour, but you know, I just feel like this apartment is not ready yet. We need to do a lot of stuff in here still, I think. You know, I don't know. The way everything is set up right now is just like, okay, wait, let me show you real quick, but it's messy, so keep that in mind. So this is actually like, it's a 2-bedroom apartment. It is small, but it is perfect for us. Currently, we're only with 2 people. We don't have any pets. I want to have a little dog, but still, we don't have any kids. So it is perfect for us. The rent, the rent is just like the most ridiculous minimum rent I've ever seen in my whole life for what we get. The price is the best ever. It's a blessing that we have this apartment, so we can save a lot, and it's just like extremely close with the city center. It's extremely close with a highway, with his job, with my job, because I work at home, so it doesn't even matter where I live. So yeah, but still, it is extremely a blessing that we can live here. You know, actually, I was saying this apartment is small, but actually it's pretty spacious. As you can see, this is like the dining area. Everything in this apartment is from IKEA. There's stuff everywhere that needs to go. Don't even mind. And as you can see, because of the roof apartment, all the walls are like that, and it takes up a lot of space, but still, it is a great apartment. Just look past all of the mess, okay? And there's like this clean minimalistic thing here going on, and I really like that. But I need some plants, okay? I love some green. I want to have like this modern style in here, and I want to have plants with just, you know, pop of green and just a little bit of life because everything is white in here. Then this is the living area, like the living room area. As you can see, that's a huge window with the ugly curtains, and I really don't know why the windows are set up like that. Like, don't even ask, because I don't really know how they came up with this concept. It takes a lot of space but it's okay. So yeah, it's cute, like it's special, like I don't know, it needs to be cleaned up here, I know, but you know what's up. Okay, and here's the TV and another couch, blah blah blah, with stuff, and my plant over there. Oh, there. Yo, this plant has been living since last Christmas. I got this plant for Christmas last year and it's still going through, so amen to you. Like, oh my god, you've seen so much shit going down, and thank you for still being here with me. Anyway, did I just give like a plant a speech? I don't know, I'm so lonely. By the way, this is the kitchen, and I'm not going to zoom in because the mess, oh, the dishes that I have to do. I just cooked a meal, that's why it's really messy. But yeah, we just went shopping, we put just all the stuff right there, so don't really mind. So, you know, it's just a mess. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this, but this is just my real life, you know? It's just my real life, and probably it is yours too. Like, every day is a struggle. Okay, I don't even have kids. How come? What would it be like when I have kids? Oh my god, my kids will be such a pain in the ass. I know now. Like, I'm going to be so irritated. Ugh. So you guys, we're back here. I'm going to do my stuff, and I'm gonna see you guys, yeah, tomorrow, because you guys are going to see me every day. So just keep your notifications on so you never miss an upload of mine, so you can experience this month with me, the road till Christmas. Oh my god, I need to do a lot of Christmas shopping. So yeah, okay guys, so I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye.